It seems like the windscreen wiper is the new tail.
Open them.
Me only letting my true self shine when I'm with my bestie. A solid way to make sure Human does not bail on their workout halfway through. It looks like somebody forgot to turn this fluffy machine off. Seems like he's binge watching on this live cooking show.
Molly.
Got like 10 more minutes, buddy.
The real frustration when your stomach schedule does not align with the feeding schedule. This nanny cam specializes in detecting cuteness. Financial advisors explaining where his feline client has gone over budget this month. When your dog's clingy, and this is how you head out to work every single day. This is a sign that you should buy a bigger chair, Human. Me being sound asleep. Then the fridge door opens. That cat's like my mum when she first used a smartphone. When your dream's so real that you wake up and not sure what's actually happening. Who else thinks that this cat might be a Ghibli fan? Me trying to check someone out without making it obvious. A smooth way to tell people you have springs under your paws.